Hello and welcome to my channel Trading Skills. So in today's session I'm going to show you that how can we take trades according to the market situation. So we will do here the simple analysis. Okay, so now if you analyze the market here, you can easily see that market is a ranging market right now. Okay, so now you can easily see that market is moving only in this range. So it means that we need to wait and see what happens with the next candlestick. Okay, so after this candlestick I can easily go here. Okay, I can now I can go here with the sellers with the margin of safety, but my entry point is very good. The market will definitely close below my entry point. So why I took this trade, let me show you here. Okay, so now you can see here a seller's entry, you can see here a rejection and a seller's entry, again a seller's entry. But this time if you analyze the market went up, seller's entry, but no sellers again. Market went up here, made a new high, but the market will close here with this area, and now you will see here we will definitely win here. So now after this candlestick I can go here with the double top pattern, so I need to go here with the sellers. Now you can easily see that I have taken the trade here in a down direction. Why? You can see here market movement was like this, but now from this point market went down, again went up, now again came down, and the next level is here. So also this candle made a new low. It means that the double top pattern, let me show you clearly. So it means that the double top pattern will work here. Okay, and the next levels are here, so there is a gap, so the next candle will be a bearish candle. I think it's easy and it is understandable. If you want to analyze the market like this, you will be in profit. Okay, so I took my trade here and I also won this one. So again, if I want to analyze the market here, AUD USD, okay, now again with the margin of safety I can go here with the sellers. I have taken a trade here in a down direction. Why? If you analyze the market here, you can see market is moving in this range, and now this candle is a strong candlestick. It means that now the momentum can also continue in a down direction and we can get here another bearish candle. So therefore I took my trade, and now you can see here market is going down. So the things are very much easy and simple, but the only thing is that we need to analyze the market properly. Okay, so now you can see here I won this trade. Now at this time I can draw here a line to check the buyer's entry. Okay, so buyers can enter at this area anytime, and now you can see market is getting the rejection. If the candle goes down, okay, market gave me a very late entry, but we need to wait. Okay, now market gave me this entry, although I was taking my trade here at this area. So because of this strong market movement, this is a late entry, but I can expect here also a buyer's candle. So let's see. Okay, so let's see. Okay, market is trying to, okay, now again I can go here with the sellers. So why I took my trade here in a down direction? So the reason is very simple. You can see here this is a strong momentum. Okay, now you can see it is a strong momentum, and now I am seeing here a new low. I am seeing here a rejection from the sellers, and the presence of the sellers are much stronger than the buyers. So therefore the next candle will definitely be a bearish candlestick, and because of this we will definitely win this trade. So let's see. There is no doubt about this candlestick. It has to close here as a bearish, or it will close here as a doji, but it will not close here as a bullish. So let's see. Market needs to go down and we will get here ATM or ITM. Okay, so we got here the ITM. So here you can see I took 5 trades only in this chart. Only in this area I took 5 trades. This is here I lost 1 trade, and you can see market broke the level, and I think I was very much overconfident, so therefore I lost this trade. Because you can see here still the sellers are entering into the market, but I was expecting the buyers from this point, but you can see it broke the trend line also. So it was a confused situation, but because of my overconfident analysis I lost this trade. So now let me explain you the trades one by one. Okay, so in this zone now you can see here I draw the levels, and now you can see market was moving in this situation. Now you can see here this candle closed here, and what does it means? It means that this whole area from this point to this point, this whole area was a sellers area. You can see sellers, and you can see here the sellers entry. So therefore I took my trade here in a down direction, and now you can see I won this trade. So let's talk about the second trade. So here I also took another trade. Why? The reason is very simple. You can see it was a double top pattern, and now you can see here I took trade here after this candlestick, and market closed here, because you can see the level was also here, and in this zone you can easily see that sellers were very strong, and we can see here the rejections and the force from the sellers, and we can see here the gap. So because of this thing we won this trade. So this was our second trade. Let's talk about the third one. Okay, so now if you analyze the market here, I took my third trade here. Now you can see here this is the level. Okay, so now you can see here this is the level for this area, and what you are seeing here, you are seeing here the buyers from this point, you are seeing here the buyers from this point, and there is no level, and you can see here there is a gap, and the candle is a very strong candlestick. So it means that sellers are fully in control, and they can continue the market in a down direction. And if you draw the trend line here, you can see here from this point to this point, this is the buyers area, strong buyers. Okay, now you can see a strong buyers, again you can see a strong buyers. So buyers are waiting here as per the trend line. So you are very much clear here, so therefore you can go here with the sellers. So let's talk about the fourth one. Here I took my trade in an up direction, and now you can see here what happened. So you can see here market broke this area, this candle broke the level strongly, so there was no way to take the trades. And if you analyze the market here, you can see okay, this is the level also, but because of the strongness of the candlestick, market went down, and you can see the market was following the momentum, the first, the second, the third one. So therefore market went down and I lost my trade. So let's talk about the last one. So in this trade you can easily see that I took my trade here in a down direction. So why I took my trade here in a down direction? You can see here momentum is getting much stronger here, and they were trying to break this level. So because of that, you can see sellers are becoming much stronger here, and because of the strongness of the candles of as a bearish, and because of this strong momentum, I took my trade, and therefore you can easily see that I won this trade here. Let me show you this one. So this was my fifth trade. So this is how we can analyze the market, and now you can see here I recovered my loss by following this trade. So this is the way you can take trades, and I took 5 trades in 5 minutes. So if you want to learn all these things, you can see what I'm trying to tell you all. You can watch the videos, and you can also get the good informative information from these videos. So if you have any queries, you can ask me on my Telegram. You can join our channel Trading Skills. You can join our group on Telegram. So stay blessed you all. Try to help each other. I am saying this again and again because I want you all to be in a profit. So if you have any queries, you can ask me on my Telegram. So stay blessed you all. Bye for now. Have a blessed day ahead. Bye.